We're making a thick sugar-free cream cheese frosting. Let's go. Sometimes when you bake something, you just want that something a little extra on top of your muffins or cake. And in this video, I'm going to give you the exact ratios you need to get the perfect frosting that you can color, you can add spices to, and it works every single time. It's perfect for a treat. You don't even have to do any baking. You can just have some of this. And no, you don't have to be a baker. If you can use a whisk, you can make this recipe. Nutritional information with 2 sets of measurements is listed in the description box, and let's get into the recipe now. To a bowl, add 225 grams of cream cheese that's at room temperature. Then 1 tablespoon of soft butter, 1.5 tablespoons of heavy cream, a half teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/3 cup of powdered sweetener. Whisk that all together, and that's it. That's it all done. Here are a few examples of this cream cheese frosting and how beautifully it performs using a piping bag. So you know that if you spoon it or use a spatula, it's gonna be even better. For storage, my only concern is the heavy cream, so I would say store for up to 4 days in the fridge, sealed. So don't go through all the effort of baking your muffins or cakes or a loaf and be disappointed by a thin frosting. Use this one. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.